Grinch, do you think I should show them my anti-perfect recording studio setup? Yes? No? Come on, Grinch. Don't do that. Come on. Be for real. Alright. Alright, so let me show y'all the setup, man. Let me show you everything that I got, man. I don't have the perfect setup, and I'm gonna show you. This is not a studio setup table. You see what I'm saying? It's just a regular little table. Me and Grinchy find a way to make it work. You know what I'm saying? Cause Grinchy always in here. Alright, so as you see, like I'm literally in a bedroom. There's no acoustic panels on the wall. None of that, alright? You see these canopies with all these stuffed animals. I have to stop buying her stuffed animals because there's probably hundreds of them in this room. When it comes to the recording, everybody know I got the MacBook M1, alright? So I got the MacBook, I got all the DAWs on it, whatever. But I have an iPad that I can record on if I need to record on it. My iPhone that I can record on if I need to record on it. And I have my Oculus headset if I need to record. For the people that might want to talk about the speakers though, let me show you the speakers. So, the first speaker that I have right here that you can see right here, they're little speakers, right? It's the Atom Audio, the D3Vs, okay? Those sound good. I keep those on the countertop, all right? Because I'm in an apartment, right? So I can't really have my monitors going crazy. I'm doing a lot of mixing on headphones and my MacBook speakers, but these right here sound good. You know, so I got one pair of speakers right here. That's going down. All right, so you see this second pair right here. These PreSonys, these Aries E5s, these sound good. So this is my second pair. All right, so I have options. I can check mixes on a lot of different speakers, but these right here, the mid-range come through real good. You know, let's go on down. All right. So, we see right here the Yamaha HS3s, okay? Another little budget pair of monitors, not too loud. I tend to use these with my vinyl player, my record player, you know what I'm saying? Might sound like I'm out of breath because I'm literally moving around with this camera. Alright, so those are affordable too. The most expensive monitors that I have in my home studio setup, or just that I have, are these Focal Alpha 65 Evos, right? So got those, and you see over here, those are stands. I can clamp those on the back of my table. I can clamp those on the countertop, table, whatever. Anything that I can clamp something on, I can clamp it on, and it can hold the weight of all these monitors, you know? But I never really used them, so yeah. So let's talk about the interfaces. My main interface that I always use is going to be the Apollo Twin. That's just because I like it. I'm familiar with it. I'm comfortable with it. You know what I'm saying? I don't get into all the specs and everything about it, but I like it, right? Then the next interface that I have that is primarily for my iPad, iPhone, mobile studio setup is the Volt 276. I got it because it has this vintage and the 76 compressor part built into it. Sounds good. It's USB. Sounds good. Affordable. Cool. Then my third interface is this Inbox Studio. So I only have 3 interfaces, right? At the time of making this video, I only have 3 interfaces. So 1, 2, or 3. I connect the Inbox Studio to my Oculus headset when I want to record in my Oculus, like in the metaverse. So that's kind of what I do with the Inbox Studio. So these are my 3 interfaces, okay? So I showed you the devices I got for recording. I showed you the speakers. I showed you the interfaces. So let me show you the microphone. So this microphone right here, the first microphone I want to show you because it's already connected, is the Jordxn Audio Atlantis 387. All right. I love this microphone. Sounds great. Right? It has 3 modes, does a lot of different things. One of my favorite microphones that I have, I use it a lot. As y'all can probably see, it's in a lot of my videos. But yeah, it sounds really good, and I can get a good pro industry quality vocal just by recording through that into the Need 1073, 2-Tech, whatever chain that I got that I'm setting up, Avalon. You know what I'm saying? Sounds really good with Avalon. So my vocals sound good. You know what I'm saying? They can compete with industry vocals because it's like a quality microphone. The second microphone that I have, but I haven't used this mic in years, is the Ashton Spirit. Like, this was one of the first microphones that I purchased with my own money. Like, once like my channel started to kind of somewhat grow, I think I bought this when I bought the Apollo Twin. So it's like, this mic forever holds a special place in my heart. You know what I'm saying? I might need to record with it soon. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Like, but this is one of the microphones that I have. The third mic that I have right here is the Austria Audio microphone. Sounds good. Don't really use it a lot. I need to use it more because I like the sound that it has. I just, you know what I'm saying, I think it's in that $300 price range. So it's like, yeah, I'm probably going to use it more just to test it out, to see what it sounds like with different chains. The fourth mic is going to be the Slate digital microphone. Really, it's a lot of different microphones in one, but this is a modeling microphone. So yeah, very flat response, sounds good. I like the U87 mods. I like the Sony 800. The 251 sounds good. The 47s, you know what I'm saying? Like, they got some good mods. The fifth microphone, I ain't even gonna take it out of the box. It is the Audio Technica 4050. This mic sounds good. I was never expecting this mic to sound good at all, but yeah, it's one of the Audio Technicas. You know what I'm saying? I think Travis Scott recorded with one of these at one point. But, you know, there's always that. But it's like, this sounds good for the price. So this is the LA320 Latin Audio. You know what I'm saying? This is a tube mic. I haven't gotten into all the tube mics I got. I think I got a couple. But this microphone right here sounds way better than the price range. It's like $700, $800 mic, but it sounds way more expensive. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? I really rock with it. Like, we see all these different things that at the bottom, like applications. It gives you ideas or just settings for certain things: modern vocals, classic vocals, podcast, acoustic guitar. You know what I'm saying? Shows the pattern, everything that goes with it. Love this microphone. Coming in at number 7 right here is going to be the Lloyd Pure Tube. This is another tube mic that I have. I use it here and there, not as much as I should, but yeah, it's like one thing about these tube microphones, you got to plug up, and I already got a lot of cables going when I got to shoot. Anyway, but yeah, mic number 8 is the ADK 67, right? So this is a modeled mic after a Norman 67. Sounds good. I only used it a couple times, haven't really spent much time with it. I might give it to Atrocity. I don't know yet, but I'm probably going to give it to Atrocity. So I probably won't have this microphone in the future, but I do like the sound of it. And then I got the Latin Audio 208. I really need to use this microphone more, especially like when I'm doing like talking videos or mixing videos, because it's like, it only picks up from the front. It don't really pick up from the side for the audio. But it's a cool microphone, nice to have. It's like, probably like if I'm doing videos like this, I need to have this microphone connected and walk around and talk so it can get my audio clean. All right, so for microphone number 10 is the Mojave 300. This sounds good. I really like this microphone, yo. Like, I ain't even gonna hold you. I really like it. I don't use it that much because I forget where it's at, because I put it in the closet somewhere and then I forget about it. I think I only use this microphone maybe 3-4 times, but I need to record it more because I like the sound. Like, tube mics just sound good to me, you know? Like, especially for a person that don't use analog gear, tube mics work for me. Number 11 is my best microphone, the most expensive microphone that I have in my studio or room. You know what I'm saying? As you want to say, probably the room. Like, the most expensive one is gonna be the Latin Audio Eden. You know what I'm saying? So this tube mic right here, crazy, sounds good, great actually. Ask the Wave Man. Like, this mic is crazy, bro. And then for interfaces, I forgot I had this. This was in the closet, had to go get it. But I got something that goes in a rack. So this has like 8 mics. I can record 8 mics at one time. You know, they got little pre's on, little gains, whatever like that. So it's like, yeah, I got this, but I never really use it. You know what I'm saying? The next thing got to be the headphones. So I'm going to show you all the pairs of headphones that I have, and I'm going to tell you why I have them, right? You see this right here? The DT 770 Pros, 250s. When guests come over and record, I let them track with these headphones. They can use these. I'm not gonna use them. These right here, these Sennheisers, these HD 280 Pros, Love them for tracking. Like, these are my tracking headphones. Every time I bust them, I buy another pair. And then when it comes to mixing, y'all know I got the Steven Slate Audio VXX headphones. These right here go crazy for checking mixes in different environments. Like, I really, really rock with these. These headphones right here sound great. I think they cost $1,200. They sound great. Or they $1,300. No, they $1,200. They $1,200. They sound real, real great. So it's like my mixing headphones, mastering headphones right here, they cost more than pretty much all my speakers together. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I really, really rock with these. But yeah, I keep these tucked away. Only bring them out for the special clients. So when it comes to the unique things that I got in the studio or that I got with me is this TC Helicon pedal. So this has auto tune in it. I can format shift and everything, mic pre, everything on the side, everything like that. So if I want unique vocal effects in real time recorded into my DAW, like in any DAW that I have that I can record my microphone into, like, this is one way to go. So I got another one. This is not blue, it's not the same one, but this is a harmony pedal. So what I can do is record in unique harmonies or play live and have unique harmonies. And just so y'all know, I'm not showing you the same pedal. Like, literally have two different ones, right? Like, it's kind of weird. I gotta hold them a certain way, but it's like I have two of these. Like, one is auto tune, one is harmonies. But now, listen, but the crazy thing is, I got one of the best auto tune pedals, really the best harmony pedal in the game with the actual Headrush VX5 auto tune pedal. You know what I'm saying? Has auto tune, has harmony, reverb, delay, has pretty much everything in it. Live performances, you know what I'm saying? You use it for that, studio, recording, everything like that. It's very, very fun. It's very unique. You know what I'm saying? It's like, it's either you're gonna fuck with it or you don't. I'm not really forcing this on people. Grinchy, tell them that's everything that I have. And this is one of the main reasons I be telling people, bro, stop putting so much pressure on yourself, stressing yourself. Use the gear that you have. Use the gear that you can get your hands on. You know what I'm saying? Recording in environments, learn how to use the environments to work in your favor, right? By accident, these two canopies in the corner, that helps with, like, the room. It deadens the room a little bit. The carpet deadens the room, right? All the stuffed animals, just a lot of objects in the room helps deaden the room. The bookshelves in the corner, like, it helps with sound. You know what I'm saying? Like, the room is not treated. You see that, right? So a lot of people sit here and put way too much on it and be like, yeah, bro, I don't have the best setup. I don't have the best, what, bro, use what you have. I don't have the perfect studio setup. It's not beautiful. Like, you know what I'm saying? And that's the thing. It's like, I have like the anti-perfect studio, right? Because there's a lot of people that's in this niche that have way better setups than me. I don't let that discourage me. I don't let that stop me from being dope. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to share with you what's going on, right? You know what I'm saying? And they're right, Grinchy. Yeah? All right. Grinchy said it's cool.